Page 141. One way to select the students is to write the numbers or student names on equal sized pieces of paper, put the papers in a bag, draw out a piece of paper, and record the result. To create a true random sample, the paper should be returned to the bag after each draw. So help Miss Levi randomly select 5 students from her class. So it says to do it with her partner, create a bag with 30 numbers from which to select your sample. But we're just gonna imagine that we did that, and we're if we draw 5 numbers and record the result, would this be random? Yes, it would be random. So it would be a random sample because everyone had the equal chance of being selected. And compare your sample with the samples of your classmates. What do you notice? So when we do that, the lists will not be the same. Okay, so that's that. Number 5, suppose Miss Levi starts with the number 15 when she assigns each of the 30 students in her class a number. How can you change your selection process to accommodate the list beginning at 15? So if it's not 1 through 30 and she wants just to start at 15 and she has to account for 30 students, I would just do 15, just number it 15 through 44 on slips of paper rather than 1 through 30. But why would you really do that, right? But since it was asking us, yeah, if that's the case, then you would just have to number it from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all the way to 30 numbers. So it's going to be, your last number would be 44. Okay, but either way, it's the same. So suppose that the 5 numbers selected from your bag resulted in 5 girls. Is the sample still a random? So you picked 5 numbers out of that 30 cards, and all of them were 5 girls. It would be still a random sample because it included every student and everyone had an equal chance of being selected. It just happened to be that those 5 chosen ones were the girls. Okay. How is this outcome different from choosing all girls to represent the sample in question 2? So in question 2 on the previous video lesson, it was that girls were purposely chosen for, so it wasn't random on question 2. But for this one, everyone had the equal chance, boys and girls, but it was just that it happened to be those 5 girls that were being chosen. But number 2, they excluded the boys to begin with from the survey, so that was not a random sample. But this is a random sample.